How just $10 can change everything. Think investing is only for the rich? What if I told you that with just $10, you could take your first step toward financial freedom? You don't need experience, fancy terms, or a lot of money. Just a phone, an app, and a decision to begin. 1. Investing isn't just for the rich. You don't need to be rich to get rich. Many people believe investing is only for those with a lot of money. But the truth is, small beginnings are powerful. Even Warren Buffett started young with very little. It's not about how much. It's about when you start. Thanks to beginner-friendly apps, you can begin with just $10. No excuses. No delays. 2. What can you invest in with $10? What can $10 buy you in the investment world? You don't need hundreds to invest in real assets. With fractional shares, you can own part of companies like Apple or Google. ETFs let you invest in multiple companies at once. Great for beginners. Some dividend stocks pay you just for owning them. Even trying out crypto or treasury bonds with small amounts can teach you a lot. Just use what you can afford to lose. Apps like Acorns or Stash make it automatic. Your $10 can go further than you think. 3. Why most people never start. Most people wait. You won't. The biggest reason people don't invest? They wait. Wait for more money. Wait to feel ready. Wait until it's too late. But starting small helps you learn while the risk is low. It builds confidence and long-term habits. Even $10 a week adds up. Over time, with growth, it can turn into something meaningful. Success isn't about being perfect. It's about getting started. 4. How to start. Start in 5 simple steps. 1. Download a beginner-friendly app, Robinhood, Fidelity, or Acorns. 2. Set a goal, long-term growth, freedom, or saving. 3. Deposit $10. That's your first investment. 4. Pick something simple, like an S&P 500 ETF. 5. Repeat it weekly or monthly. Small, steady progress matters. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to begin. 5. The real power of starting early. It's not just about money, it's about freedom. This is more than dollars, it's about your future. Imagine a life where you're not worried about money, where you make choices because you want to, not because you have to. Maybe you weren't taught about money, but today, you change that. Every dollar you invest is a step toward financial freedom. Every dollar is a step toward freedom. Enjoy this video? Click the like, share, and subscribe for more simple investing tips. Thanks for watching.